Hello and welcome to the Bullish Money YouTube channel. So today I wanted to talk about one of my heroes, Michio Kaku, who of course is well known for his videos on theoretical physics and quantum mechanics and all sorts of esoteric topics. And one of the reasons why I really admire Michio Kaku is that he has an ability to take all this high-level esoteric information and distill it into a piece of information that can be digested by just regular folks. So someone who is not trained in physics is then able to understand the basic premise of what he is discussing. And because of his work and because of all the videos and all the information that he provides on multiple channels, he's able to inspire many people who otherwise would not be interested in theoretical physics and quantum mechanics, and actually find use for them in their own personal lives. And for me personally, I started to develop a substantial interest in quantum mechanics. I believe that the theory that Michio Kaku is trying to develop, a theory of everything, to consolidate all the individual theories that exist in the physical realm and to consolidate them into one unified theory. I think that's a very noble pursuit, and I think that we all can participate in that, actually. We may not all be physicists, but we are involved in industries that can benefit from physics. And one of the things I've learned from quantum mechanics that is extremely relevant to the financial realm is in the work of probabilities. Believe it or not, and this is something that just absolutely fascinated me, but certain chemical reactions that we take for granted, such as the half-life of radioactive elements, they don't occur in a purely scientific manner. Even though it's taught in the science of chemistry, we never know what an individual atom will do. We just don't know. We can't pinpoint with absolute certainty what individual components within a chemical reaction, how they will actually react. We do know, however, the probability of these reactions occurring, and we know we can have a high level of confidence that a certain chemical reaction will occur because we're studying the probabilities of millions and millions and millions of atoms. And when you're counting that many, when you have that large of a data set, you can make reasonable assumptions on probability analysis. In the same manner, I take that, I was inspired by that concept, and I've begun distilling that into financial analysis, and some of the findings, the results are absolutely stunning. There's an alignment between the psychological realm of Wall Street and how that psychology manifests itself into probability matrices that are very, very similar to quantum mechanics and very similar to even some of the esoteric theories within physics. The manifestation, there's an alignment there, and there's a similarity there, and it may sound like absolute nonsense to someone who doesn't know physics and someone who doesn't know finance, or it may actually sound crazy to someone who does know both subjects. But I believe that one of the exciting things about what the research that Michio Kaku is doing is that he is going beyond the realm of textbook learning. I think a lot of the education that is out there is perpetuated by a machinery that only cares about making profits and not actually teaching real information. And I think that this academic industrial complex is more incentivized by the money rather than true search for knowledge, for greater knowledge. It's not inspiring the creativity among students to discover new theories. It is really sucking all the students and distilling them into a box that says that this textbook tells you the truth, and you don't have to worry about anything else. You don't have to get creative or anything like that, because all the things that you need to know are in this textbook. And if you don't read this textbook, and if you don't do exactly what I, the professor, say to do, you will fail. And so, of course, there's the incentive to fall in line. It's just very much like the corporate America, the matrix that that corporate America uses. It doesn't incentivize creativity. It doesn't incentivize any kind of pioneering entrepreneurial spirit. All it does is just make everybody the same, just funnel people into an assembly line. And I think really that's the tragedy of higher education. And I think Michio Kaku, rather than just pursuing his theory of everything, I think he should be commended for driving change within the academic industrial complex. So anyways, please be sure to check out his videos. I think you'll find it very entertaining and very educational. Stop taking blind swings at the market and instead receive the best stock ideas with the highest probability of success. At Bullish Money, we want to put more cash in your stash using scientific algorithms. No opinions, no interpretations, no nonsense, just straight facts. To get started today, subscribe to the Bullish Money YouTube channel and get actionable stock ideas right to your inbox.